To avoid future payment blocks on Amazon Prime, it's important to ensure that your account details and payment methods are up to date. Follow these simple steps to help prevent issues. Step 1. Update payment information. Regularly check and update your payment methods in your Amazon account. Ensure that your credit card or bank details are current and valid. Step 2. Monitor account activity. Keep an eye on your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. Report any suspicious activity immediately to Amazon customer service. Step 3. Enable two-step verification. Activate two-step verification for added security. This will require a second form of identification when logging in, making it harder for unauthorized users to access your account. Step 4. Use a reliable payment method. Choose a payment method that is reliable and has a good track record. Avoid using prepaid cards or accounts that may have limited funds. Step 5. Contact customer service. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Asher.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can help ensure a smoother experience with your Amazon Prime account and reduce the chances of payment blocks.